Today we're going to talk about criminal charges of Medicare fraud. Specifically, are there defenses? And of course there are defenses, but let's talk about that. First off, Medicare fraud is a pretty serious offense, and it can result in a person going to prison, not to mention fines and other things. Fortunately, there are a number of defenses that may be available depending on the facts and circumstances of a specific case. Most of the defenses I'm going to talk about, in fact, all of the defenses I'm going to talk about today have to do with lack of intent. Let's go into it. The first one is your basic lack of intent, and that is an argument that the person did not knowingly or willfully commit the fraud. You have to understand that in this kind of case, the prosecution has to prove that somebody deliberately misrepresented things, that they were doing this to obtain improper payments. If the government is unable to do that, then that can be a defense. The second kind of defense is that the mistakes were the result of some sort of mistake or clerical error, that it was an honest medical billing mistake, that they had incorrect patient information, or there were miscalculations or some other aspect of it where the mistakes were not fraudulent intent. Again, this is something that you would want to raise through your lawyer, but it's essentially saying, yeah, there was errors, but they were innocent. The third one would be when a party, whether it's a doctor or somebody who works for a doctor, has relied on the advice of some sort of an expert, whether that's some sort of compliance professional, whether it's a legal professional or otherwise, but they were relying on somebody who they thought knew, and there were mistakes made. Again, the argument here is that we were acting in good faith based on the recommendations of this expert. We did not have the intent to commit a crime, and that can be a defense as well. Certainly, we hope that you're not charged with any kind of a criminal case at all. If you are and you want our help, give us a call here at Siegel & Siegel. The phone number is below. I'm attorney Andy Siegel. If you like these videos, if you would, hit the subscribe button. And if you want to be nice to us, give us the old thumbs up button. Thank you for watching.